Oh my god, look at that. Okay, cinco? Okay.
Go.
Okay, okay. This city is kind of cool. It's a little different, huh? I feel really gross. Do you feel gross? I feel like, I don't know how to say. Sticky hazy.
Sticky hazy.
No, va a tener que devolverla. Yo pensé que es un viejito.
No.
Viejito.
Por la voz.
Is he from China? He's Chinese.
Pregunta que si eres de China.
Porque el nombre de esta casa es hostel a China.
Pues yo pensé que por la voz, era un viejo, digo yo, le dije a la mujer, digo, a lo mejor un viejo cacarrabia.
Oh, ok, sí, somos viejos.
Somos viejos, ya me siento como viejo.
Ya, yo también.
No, ¿qué más viejo? Yo que tengo 79.
¿Cuánto?
79.
79 years old. What? No way.
Okay.
¿Qué es tu secreto?
I think I hear her.
Miren, mi esposa.
Oh, hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás,
Hola.
señorita?
Parece que son familia.
Sí.
Ya regresó tu hija.
Hija de chino de verdad de allá. Hija de chino original.
What? Wow.
De Cantón.
¿De Cuantón? A mis abuelos de abuelos de abuelos son de Cuantón. Sí.
Bueno, esta es la casa, es parte de la casa.
Ajá.
Aquí es el patio.
Ajá.
La corriente se fue ahorita, vendrá entre 2 horas.
Okay.
Más o menos.
What is going on? This is very interesting.
Todo el aire, pero bueno, hay que esperar que venga
La corriente.
La corriente.
Y apenas se fue.
¿Eh?
¿Cómo están las condiciones aquí? ¿Se van muy seguido? Los
Sí.
apagones.
Sí, que esto es... El país ha tenido problemas con eso.
¿Sí tienes arroz con leche? Sí.
We get one.
¿Nos
And
das
try.
uno, por favor?
And try this.
Un jugo de ciruela, por favor.
Uno.
Sí. How is it?
Very creamy
Creamy.
and sweet. Not bad.
Oh, good.
Oh, I know what it is.
What is
Get
that?
one more. It's saffron juice. And it's cold.
¿Uno más? 20 pesos.
Okay.
¿Tienen agua? ¿Sí?
Okay.
¿Nos das dos, por favor? Yeah. Oh, what? Oh,
How is
yeah.
it? Cold or no? Room temperature?
It's okay.
Mmm.
Mamá, tan barato, están a 5 pesos.
Sí, 5 pesos, 10 palos. Traigo de 15, de 20.
Hey! Look at this guy.
Video.
Wow. Someone peeled it for him.
That's
I
not
peeled
true.
myself.
That's not true.
Mira cuánto.
Okay, this city is interesting. Like, we can't find guayabas, but we can find like naranjas, oranges everywhere. And usually it's the opposite. Like, you find a lot of guayabas, and it's very hard to find oranges. And we also found coconuts, which we didn't find in other
We couldn't
places.
find coconuts anywhere.
I know. And here they have
Only by the
like,
beach.
I know.
20 pesos.
Ah, okay, so just now we passed by the coconut guy, right? And then he was selling for 25 pesos. And then we were looking for him. And we thought we couldn't find anyone. But we found that guy. And it's cheaper at 20 pesos. And the husk was already cut off, so it's like so much better.
They have tons of water.
Tons of water. Ideal mercado. What is it?
Look at these.
What are these? I've never
They're
seen this
like-
before.
Belly pan. Belly pan. ¿Qué son? ¿Son dulces?
No.
¿Salados?
Sí.
Want to try the salty thingy since you haven't tried it before now.
¿A cuánto están?
35.
35.
Okay. It's called petty pan.
Hard? Whoa, that's crunchy.
Oh. Okay, I know what it tastes like. It tastes like a baguette. A stale baguette. Oh, who's making faces? What's wrong? ¿Qué pasó? Stop acting like this, please. Stop making faces like this. You like it or no? I think with peanut butter.
It's like
it tastes
flavorless.
good. No, it's salty. It's okay, I quite like it. Ooh. Oh, I see boobs.
Oh, wow. The first thing you see, huh?
And then what's the first thing you see?
Eyeball.
Like,
Fish. That's fish.
I saw boobs. Legs.
Butt cheeks.
That cheese.
In the
Oh.
middle.
Yeah, what's in the middle?
In the middle of the butt cheeks.
Está cerrado.
Oh.
Hasta las 6.
No, está en reparación.
Oh.
Aquello es todo lo que tengo.
That's a vegetarian restaurant. I cannot believe that that's a vegetarian restaurant over here. Like, what vegetables do they have here? Pepino.
Guayaba, aguacate, melon. Oh, they got quite a few.
It's open everything.
Oh, it's open.
It is?
Ah, darn.
Oh, nice vino. What's
Yeah.
reasonable?
A las 6.
A las 6 de la tarde.
Okay.
Ok, gracias. ¿Tienen carta?
Oh, so colorful. Oh no. Pina colada is tasty. What's the malte?
Milkshake. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wanna go?
We're not eating proper food. You want it?
Uh-oh.
Okay, we're gonna try malteado if they have
Uy, no sé si para probar.
it. It's cold. It's like soda with.
She's making a face. I've
Milk.
never seen her make a face before. Not even when she ate cockroaches, she would make this face. What?
It's gassy.
Oh, it's good. It reminds me of like a root beer float.
Yeah.
You've had one before?
Mm.
Not what we were expecting.
I kinda want to try one bonbon. I never tried bonbon
wanna try it?
before. Yeah.
We get two?
Yeah. Oh my god, there's so many Cheetos.
Tiene dos bombones a 10 pesos.
No son amargos.
What's the
Son
difference?
amargos, no son dulces.
What does that
Oh, she said these are bitter.
mean? So how about the 25 pesos?
Yeah.
Estos son dulces.
Me das uno de 25 y uno amargo.
Yeah,
A
sí.
probarlos. ¿Ya?
Mm. Also, it's called belly de maíz. That's the name of the Cheetos. Now we have a name for it. What
Oh.
is it? Is it chocolate though?
Es chocolate.
So bonbons are chocolate.
Oh. It's very chocolatey, it's not bitter.
That's dulce. She's making faces. Yeah. It's sweet. It's very sweet. Way sweeter one. Let me put it there.
Honestly, it tastes the same.
Why it tastes the same?
Mmm.
But which is better, like in terms of texture?
The texture. The other one was weird. It was like a chocolate marshmallow. But it tastes the same, right?
No,
Oh,
it tastes sweeter. But this one is like more solid. Wait, so all of them have eaten chocolates here in Cuba. They're called bonbons. You should try a little bit of both. What do you think?
There's 3, I think.
3 types?
Oh, look up there.
Oh.
Mozzarella fundido frescal. Queríamos un pedazo de cada queso para probarlo. Este es el fundido. Oh, wow. What? Oh, that's good. ¿Este es el frescal?
No, el mozzarella.
Oh,
este es el
mozzarella.
Oh, that's good too.
Gracias.
Oh, wow. My least favorite.
Not this. I think the yellow one or the white one.
180 total.
Okay.
180. Muchas gracias.
Yes. What a strange day, huh?
Yeah, so random. What do you think?
They have a lot of things here too. What's going on?
What?
$2, 204, 258, but I think for each, right? How many for the whole box? Wow, ground coffee, 15 USD. This is a lot of stuff. I've never seen so many things. So far till now. Screws. Oh, flowers are pretty.
Restaurante.
Sí, pero no, a las 6,
Oh, a las 6.
Tienen menú.
Ya solo para ver la menú,
¿Tienen
la
menú?
carta.
Okay, no more. No more.
Just look at you. You probably don't have to eat anything anymore. Oh,
Tienen todo.
sí.
Wow.
That's reasonable.
Regresamos a las 6. So it's 4, so we could probably like watch a movie and then.
Yeah.
Remandingo. That sounded funny.
Oh. It's extremely good together.
Oh yeah?
That's a cheeseburger, a real cheeseburger.
Mmm.
Right?
Mmm.
Mmm. Okay,
Wow, I
fuck
can't
yeah.
go in sandals? That's weird.
No, I'm gonna be very. We can try. Just don't draw attention, okay?
Okay.
And the cheese, put it in somewhere. Los boletos para a las 4.
Sí.
Okay, sí.
8 pesos.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is like a full course meal. And it's cheap. Like, how much was it? 149, and then the other one was like 300 plus, right?
Yeah.
But they all come with the same accompaniment.
Uh-huh. And it comes with a drink included. Mmm.
What? This is so good.
Really good.
Is this like lamb?
It tastes like caldo de res.
But it's very thick. Okay, this is the first time seeing ladies' fingers in Cuba.
Lady's finger.
Yeah, it's
What is like a
slimy.
picker? Slimy. Oh, good.
Good? Oh, it's cold. Oh, that's a lot of food.
Lot of food. Alright. This is a special, right?
I don't know which is the special.
Oh, liver.
Yeah, I think it looks like liver. Oh, I guess that's why it's 140. Oh, his face. Did they say hígado or no?
I'm gonna say yeah.
This is good. This is soft. Try the pumpkin. rice is good. Okay, so what do you think that is?
Liver.
Liver. Okay, so I just searched online what's cantinga. So it has hidago, which is liver. It also has riñones, which is like kidneys. I just tasted something that's not liver. And also the corazon.
Oh. Oh,
No.
it's the corazon.
Yeah, so the yeah.
Oh, no way.
No, try it. At least once in your life. It's okay. You can cut it to smaller pieces. Oh, look at his face. It's like when he ate the balut. Oh, should I just stop making faces, please? Stop making faces.
It's definitely the heart, right?
Yeah, that's the heart. Looks like the artery. I don't taste the kidney. It's okay? But because it has the liver taste, oh, it's okay.
Oh, not too bad.
But the liver you don't like because it's too mushy and strong. But the heart is chewy, like a muscle. That's okay? You okay?